it's Madison from MadTube, and today I'll be unboxing a tripod. Let's get started. So it's still in the Amazon box, has not been opened, so you can clearly tell that it is brand new. So let's get started. First, let's open the box up. I got this tripod off of Amazon. As you see, there's an Amazon box. Bubble wrap. It was $30. This is my first tripod. The funny thing is I wanted the tripod to do the video. So, it was kind of like, great. I don't have a tripod to make a video, but I'll have a tripod for all my other videos. There's bubble wrap. Yeah. There we go. It's all popped. That's my favorite thing. It's a professional tripod. Front, back, side. Top, bottom. Apparently, there's a red, black, and color. That's different. Didn't know there was two colors. So this is the, careful. This is the part that holds your phone, which I can't show you it with a phone because my phone is the camera. So it extends out really far. So if you have an iOS or Android, Apple or iOS or Android or Samsung or Apple, same thing, just two different ways. It comes with a bag, so you can carry it with you if you are a traveler and you need a tripod for your videos. It's my first ever tripod, so I'm super excited to use it. Alright, let's open the back. Whoa. Okay. This is the stick remote. So there's two buttons. One says iOS camera 360 and the other one says Android. I will have to read the instructions to figure out what the remote means, but trust me, I'll figure it out. Let's open this beauty up. Super cool. It says user's manual. So, whoa. So I guess it clicks into place here somehow. It's a little dirty. I can clean that later. This, I guess, adjusts the, what is it called? The camera. So this piece will probably pop in like that or something. I'm not gonna do it because I have to figure it out first. So I will figure this out and I will get back to you as soon as I figure it out. Now I have figured out the tripod. So I got this piece connected. It took a lot of figuring out. It was very, 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 very difficult. I said a lot of varies because it took me a while to figure it out. This user's manual is garbage because it just tells you about the tripod. It doesn't tell you how to set anything up, which means you have to use your brain, which isn't a bad thing. So to raise the tripod, you see these little cool design things. It's actually a cool design. You have to unclip it so that it stretches out. And if you want it to go farther, I'll put it sideways. It goes farther, and then this one goes farther. So it can go super tall. Pretty sure it's 57 inches, but it's super cool. So let's raise it. Okay, and then to lock it in place, you have to clip it, then unclip it, unclip it, unclip it. Good. Good. And then a cool feature to make sure it's level is that there's a little bubble. Hold on, let it focus. There we go. Can't really see it, but it's a silver thing. There. It's at an angle, so it's going to be off. But it tells you how even that it is. I don't know if you can see that. You can't at all. There it goes. It's going to get taller, so I'm going to have to rise it. You're going to see the ceiling. Then, to make it even taller, it's going to get lopsided for a second. You gotta unflip it one more time. Straighten it out. And that is how tall the tripod can get. That's super cool. So I'm gonna clip my phone to this. Now I'm gonna give you a view to loosen it. It's gonna be shaky my first go around. You can turn. It's not what I wanted. Need to hold on. I'm still figuring this thing out. It's different. First tripod, like I said, I'm not a professional with it. Let's turn it that way. And then for a 360 turn, very tight, which I like. Oh wait, this thing should loosen it. There we go. Hey, whee! That's cool. Okay. So this is the tool. Oh, I just tightened it. This is my YouTube studio room tour. Not really, but still. Wait, this thingy should make that turn-ish. I'm still gonna figure it out. But yeah, it's not that hard. I definitely recommend this tripod. It was a little rusty dusty, which means it had a few dirt marks on it, but that's fine. It came from Ohio, not Idaho. Ohio, which is super far. It took 2 weeks for it to come, which actually isn't that bad at all. Let's lower it. So, for saying professional tripods, definitely would agree. But it does take some getting used to. Now, I just figured out something. You want to start from the bottom first. Okay, and then do one leg, clip, clip, at a time. It just makes everything easier. I want to clip them all at the same time, so then it just shrinks, and then you have to push it up. 1, 2. Oops. Oh, that's stable. This one isn't. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Done. And then the last leg. So, if it's your first tripod and you really don't know what a tripod is, it's called a tripod because tri is for 3 legs, and then pod, I really don't know. At the moment, no, I do know what a tripod means, but, so, I have a feeling I clipped this wrong. Or you can clip it 2 ways, because if you unloose this piece comes out, you unscrew it, and then you can also clip it right here, which I don't know what that really does when you clip it in, which I'm just about to find out with you guys. So, that holds your phone sideways. Pretty sure that's how you're supposed to do it. Turn it up. Yeah, keep it like that for now on. And then to make it turn 360, you want to do this one. So then you can turn it and then lock it. And then this one, I forgot. What does this one do? Does that. And if I tighten it, will it do it? Let's find out. It still does it. So I will figure out what that does, but that's pretty much the tripod review. Yeah, has a little dirt mark right there, but other than that, it's clean. To set up this remote, it has a Lithium battery that was not supposed to come out. It's very loose in there. Okay, to connect it to a device, it says turn on the shutter by switching on the on and off button, which I'm not going to do because I have to connect it to the device I am using to video. And then what you have to do is the blue light will flash and then active the Bluetooth function on your phone and search for AB Shutter 3 device and connect. Light will put on when Bluetooth connected successfully. Open your cell phone camera, click the camera button to shot photos. It's supposed to say to shoot photos, not shot photos. But yeah, I have a feeling I'm not going to use the remote that much because I won't. It's just for pictures. It's not really for videos. But for pictures, I'm definitely going to use this because if you want a selfie, then you have to click the timer and all that. Now you just hit the button. So yeah, I will use this a lot. So I love this tripod. Amazing birthday gift. So I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!